happy birthday, Sayin. Happy birthday, oh Hasan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, baby ni Mama. Uy, happy birthday, Nanak. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Hasan. Slap ang hands up eh. Slap ang hands up kang baby. Birthday ni mo talon. Birthday ni mo. Wala ka hando. Diyos awawa. Uy. Awawa ang baby ni mama. Waday hando. Sa birthday niya. Isukuling. Sorry sa mama. Sorry si mama sa baby. Sorry. Sorry. Walay handa ang baby ni mama. Walay handa ang baby ni mama.
Sakit sa dughan. Oy, walay handa ang baby ni mamang. Masakit yung puso ko ba? Kasi walang handa yung baby ko. Birthday niya ngayon. Wala ka handa, nak. Awawa ka. Sorry na, ha? Sorry si mama sa imo nga wala ka handa. Lablamang ka ni mamang.
Tuwarda si mama son. Wala lang tuwarda si mama sa baby. Bano? Mistin ang baby ni mama. Awawa to ayo. Sisi. Awawa to ayo ang baby ni mama. Baby ni mama. Sorry. Isuri asot. Mag-vacuum pa ta sa tong kwarto nak eh. Isuri. Wala hayahan ta ang baby ni mama.
Happy birthday to you. Si Hasan ay happy birthday to you today. He is 1 year old. His birthday is today and he is 1 year old. Hasan, how old are you? Guliwan. He is 1 year old now and he not celebrating his birthday because he is devoted Muslim. Don't have birthday haram, kida. Haram ang birthday. Joke. Yeah. No, it's allowed to birthday the baby when she is Muslim, when she is baby. Still baby. But not celebrate now because I don't have money to celebrate. I don't have money to buy even cake or something. Don't have money. Sorry. What I am doing to do. What I am doing to do sa happy birthday ni Mamang. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Eee! Happy birthday to you, Mama. What happened sa ibang malabes? I-drink tea. I-drink tea. Bismillah sa akong happy birthday to you. Uy. Happy birthday to you. It's okay, Mapi, ang birthday. Important is he is good health and handsome boy and Hasan boy. Hasan ni mama. Hasan ni mama.